we're back. So we just took the wheel off because we have to put the pulley back on. One of the cams is not set to top dead center. The valves, I think, are hitting the piston. So we're gonna turn past top dead center. We're gonna have to go all the way back around, which is gonna be fun. But yeah, once we get that, then we can continue with the timing. Timey-wimey. The pulley is back on to do the turnies. Literally every weekend we try to work on the car. It's not like...
Does it rain for you?
It barely rains during the week. We get some like afternoon showers or like during the night, but not like during the day. But every weekend, guys, the last 3 weekends in a row. I'm so glad we bought a tent. Ugh, rain. Okay, we're back to top dead center. Camshafts are lined up. We are good to go. I think it's actually raining in here. It's raining everywhere. Welcome to Florida, where it's either sunny and burning your skin or torrentially downpouring. Little mini update. We had Javier's stepdad come over and look at the timing. He's gonna come back and help me out. He just asked that I remove the motor mount and the bracket, so I just got those off. He's gonna help me. We're like a tooth off on this side. There's just a lot of slack, so we're gonna get pretty much just restart it all, start from scratch. So at least everything's set. Everything is at top dead center. So once we get all this good to go, I can start piecing everything back together. Woo-woo. Alright, so everything's coming along. Gotta put some mounts back in order to finish up with the alternator and the power steering pump. But we're getting there. We're coming together, folks. Take that, you didn't have to move it.
I know, I didn't want it to fall over.
The button is getting so dirty from hitting it while my fingers are grody. lose your spark plug socket and you don't know where it is. You're at least not dropping them all the way in. Check that out. That's supposed to adjust the alternator belt. Went to move it and the cap just completely came off and this wedged itself in there. So now I need a new adjustment bolt and a new bolt. Again. Look guys, it almost looks like an engine. Battery's about to go in. So I can put fluids in it, make sure nothing's leaking and pouring out, and then gotta situate this whole alternator power steering mess that I've got going on, but we're that much closer. Right as it's about to start sprinkling it. My friends, putting the alternator back in, putting the power steering pump back in. We're gonna see if you can see from here. Got a little bit of a dilemma with these stupid bolts. Boogie snot. She had boogers that had to be cleaned out. But she's gonna be a good girl now, hopefully. Let's take a nice look. What do you guys think? I think the screen or the, what is this? Are you 30s? Can you see better? I don't know. Anyways, we're all here. Everyone's joined the party, including hubby's beard. We're gonna have to figure out if I set the timing right. Ignition timing might be off, but I'm gonna tap off the cooling system real quick and we're gonna give her a go, I think. I'm scared. Like, if this thing doesn't run on all 4 cylinders, that's it.